I want to do a proper acting project, and we were very close of doing one before Big Boss.
ये हम blessed हैं that we have those those people in our life जो हमारे fans बन गए. Now they're like our family.
Guilty pleasure show you both binge together in show.
Guilty pleasure.
Who was always late on set?
On set.
When
I
while
think I'm
shooting.
in general very late in life.
Last text you sent each other. Who take more selfies?
It's a,
Of course. Dream role you would love to play opposite each other. So I have 5 questions. We'll quickly do it. Any friendship or rivalries that are still alive even after the show of Big Boss?
I guess only
Friendship.
friendships.
Rivalry is nothing, none.
We don't care about those.
Best, of course. Guilty pleasure show you both binge together in the show.
Guilty pleasure.
Huh?
Friends. It's no, not friends.
That's
No.
not guilty pleasure.
Nobody wants this.
Nobody wants this. That's on Netflix. Yeah.
Who was always late on set?
On set.
When
I
while
think
shooting.
I'm in general very late in life. मतलब मैं थोड़ा late arrival है
See.
मेरा थोड़ा.
You got the answer. Last text you sent each other.
कितना टाइम लगेगा?
कहाँ पे है? हाँ कब निकलना है?
Because यहाँ ना था.
Nice. Who take more selfies?
अच्छा.
Of course.
उसके फ़ोन में मेरी सेल्फीज है बिकॉज उसके फ़ोन फोटोज अच्छी आती है.
Dream role you would love to play opposite each other.
Opposite each other. I think I would like to do something like Barfi with him. I want to do something challenging with him. And I was telling this the other day. We were having this conversation, and I said I really want to do an acting, not that music video, but music videos are a very short span of time. I want to do a proper acting project, and we were very close of doing one before Big Boss, where I think all I remember is that he was very good. He was a very good actor. So I really want to do a full-fledged acting project with Avinash. Fingers crossed on that.
Crazy, absolutely. But you guys have, one loyal fan base, ठीक है? जो लोग काफ़ी एक्टिव रहते हैं, काफ़ी कमेंट करते हैं, but उस दोनों को मेंटेन करना कितना पॉसिबल हो पाता है ऑनलाइन? How do you maintain?
This is the beauty of it. We it's like हम कभी busy भी रहते हैं, हम नहीं भी reply कर पाते हैं. Then also they're there. Constantly they're there for us. So I guess ये हम blessed हैं that we have those people in our life जो हमारे fans बन गए. Now they're like our family. And हम कई बार हम time देने की भी कोशिश करते हैं, but somewhere we are busy तो we are not able to give time. But हम जब free होते हैं हम उनको text कर लेते हैं, हम उनको reply कर लेते हैं, उनके comments like कर लेते हैं.
Yeah.
So that's how we
Maintain.
show our love also. But हाँ कई बार अगर हम नहीं भी उनके लिए available हैं, but they are available for us 24/7. So that is something I feel हम बहुत grateful हैं that we have got this loyal fan base.
Same.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you
It
so
was
much. Means a
lovely
lot.
talking to
Thank
you.
you.
But before going, if you want to say something to your fans, Abhishek.
Well, thank you so much for all the love and your constant love and support means a lot to us. And हमारे new project is out. आओ ना, please go and watch it. And future में भी बहुत सारे projects आएंगे to entertain you all. Thank you.
When people say that they are dating, what's your answer on them? I mean, आप हमेशा clear करते रहते हैं इस चीज़ को कि यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं, we are very good friends.
Now we have stopped clearing everything. Now we are like they
whatever
can
you think.
assume whatever they want. They should be happy at the end.
कुछ लोगों के दिमाग में हम engage हो चुके हैं, कुछ के में हम date
It's
कर
their
रहे हैं.
love, yeah. It's their love, and we crave for love. That's it. We work for them, and हमें यही होता है कि यार हमारी audience हमसे प्यार करे, हम उनको entertain कर पाएं. And ये उनका प्यार है that वो हमको कैसे perceive करते हैं.
But also the bond is so pure
Yeah.
that it is very. What he's saying is absolutely right. But a lot of people cannot digest it, especially coming from a house which is so messy, which is so chaotic. To have this bond exactly the same or even stronger after coming out of the house, I think people cannot digest it. Some people have that notion that no, maybe it is not real, maybe it is fake. But what Avinash said, I really agree with him that अभी जिसको जो सोचना है सोचो.
Absolutely.
What we share, we cannot go out and tell people that this is what it is, because some will not understand. We don't want people to understand. So I think now to put it in short, I think we both are very, very blessed and happy to be.
Right, absolutely. But what's your one green flag and one red flag?
My
in the
green-
men's, yeah.
In
In the
him,
men's. No, in general in men's. In your life, if someone comes in your life, not in Avinash.
green flag is somebody showing up, somebody being for you when you need it the most, somebody not making excuses, somebody genuinely being there, not when the world sees it, but when nobody sees it and when the place is dark out there and that person showing up for you. Red flag is ghosting. Red flag is not being respectful towards family, because I'm a very family oriented person.
Nice.
So I think it's a big
मेरा
red
वही
flag.
रखा था दिमाग में.
So it's a big red flag. If you tell me that, you know, why you so much towards your mom or your brother, it's a red flag. I love my family and I am somebody who's a very family oriented person.
What about you?
Biggest red flag will be exactly the same. If that person is not very much family oriented, I can't relate to that person. And the green flag is have that understanding. The person
Absolutely.
needs to be very understanding.